Hello, Scrap Cash Army. It is a rainy, dreary, wet Sunday morning. And I started off today like how everybody should start off their day, if they're able to. If you're of a mind to. I don't know what all that bouncing is. It's catching on something. Anyway, as I was saying, I started off today like you should start off most days, at the Waffle House. See the Waffle House? Have a little breakfast. Very nice people in there too. I mean, I got done eating. They come over and ask me a few times, hey, everything okay? Do you need anything else? I said, no, I'm fine. And the woman said, I think I've heard about you. I said, well, that's very possible. I'm kind of a big thing. She said, aren't you? Yeah, you're the guy that's got that. You're the guy that's got that scrapping channel, aren't you? I said, well, yes I am. I watch your stuff all the time. I said, well, that's awesome. I appreciate that. Yeah, you got that red truck. Yep, sure did. I subscribe to your channel and everything. That's why, I appreciate the hell out of that. Idiots. Anyway. She looked at me and said, how come you don't do pallets anymore? Yeah. Asshole. Well, see if there's anything worth having. I don't believe the ladder goes. Dog cage I can take. Nothing really back there. Nothing sitting out. Well, not much here. Let's move on, shall we? Now, folks, I'm going to stop it right here because I want you to take a good long look at this. I'm at a dumpster in an apartment complex. This dog cage was behind the dumpster that and it's on rollers. So I wheeled it out. I'm going to load it up in the truck. This is going to come back into play toward the end of the video. So you need to make sure you stay and watch because something good's going to happen. I'm just telling you. finger back. I'll take it. Well, that's got some weight to it, man. Surprisingly. Thought it'd just be something light. Well, a little something. And a cage. Some think. Do you think that cage, that dog cage, would sell? This is the big metal dog cage. Ain't like one of them fold 'em up ones, even though that probably does fold up. I'm not going to take the time to try to figure out how it folds up, but seems like that might be a saleable item. Just rough kind of place right here, man. That not so much the TV, but I will take the cord, and it pulls off anyway, so really didn't need cutters for it. Like that. That's a rough old truck right there. I don't think it's drivable. Tires are flat. So, got a cord up in here. Well, let's keep moving. Need to remove it. It's a big cord, man. And I think that one just sticks on too. It does. It's a big TV. With a big ass cord. Couple cords. Let's keep on moving, shall we? It's construction. It's not that heavy. It's got water in it though. But it's not that heavy. That worked. Hopefully it'll stay there. Thank you. Now we're gonna take off what little load I got. Set it on Wyatt. Then I'll have to do a little rearranging, little cord cutting, a little selling of a dog cage, hopefully. We'll see. I reckon I want all of it. Man, I'm right in the middle of the road here too. I really need to puff of me, man. Big ass circuit board. Don't know what it is, but I'll take it. I think it might just be a sub. It's got a cord. I'll take it. That's probably just boxes. Nope. Something else I want. Thank you. So I put that dog cage on Marketplace, and my phone has been dinging off pretty consistently. You know, is it available? Where are you located at? I'm gonna pull over here because I got like 2 or 3 messages again. I don't know what they're pertaining to. It could be new people going, "Hi, is this available?" And then you say, "Well, yes it is." And then you never hear from them again. I get a lot of that. And I'm sure you all do too if you do any marketplace stuff. It's just interesting how somebody wants to know if it's available, and then you say yes, and then you never hear from them again. Why even bother asking? So let's see what the people are wanting to know now. I put sizes on here. It's 4 foot wide, 2.5 foot deep, 3 foot tall. I'm not good with sizes, LOL. Would a King Corso fit in it? I bought 4 already and they broke me. I have no idea. Will my dog fit in it? You're asking me if your dog will fit in it. Between the two of us, who knows how big your dog is? I mean, Jesus Christ, people. I'm not good with sizes. Do you know how big your dog is? Because between the two of us, I think you would know. Lord have mercy. This stuff you gotta wade through. Would you say it's large? Four feet wide, 3 feet tall is large. Lord have mercy. I gave you the sizes so you can kind of know what size we're dealing with. And if I tell you something's 4 foot long, do you pretty much have an idea how long 4 feet is? And if you don't, buy a damn tape measure. Measure 4 feet. You know, if you're 6 foot tall, you know, figure it's about chest high. Oh, Lord. I'm not good with measurements, man. Math is hard. I'll take them. And, of course, I'll take cords. You know them HDMI cables? I don't know why people throw them away. They very rarely go bad, and they're expensive to buy. You know? It might be worthwhile hanging on to those things. Let's keep going, shall we? Thinking of it. Oh, damn it. Another one. 2 more. 3 more. Jesus Christ. Everybody wants this thing, apparently. Hi, is this available? Yes, it is. Hi, is this available? Yes, it is. You watch now. So, Lord God, people. I'll leave now. What's up, right? Right behind that dumpster. You know? Apparently, this is a hot tamale. Everybody wants it. That woman just texted me because her husband's at work. He don't get off. She wanted to know if I would Venmo, which I don't. It's kind of like a cash only business I'm running here. But then her counter offer, I'm asking $50 for it. Apparently that was too cheap, because everybody and their brothers hit me up on this thing. So, like I said, I'm asking 50, and she's offered 70 if I'll deliver it, because her husband ain't off work yet, and she can't go to church because her dog keeps tearing stuff up, so she can't leave. Or that's, you know, that's what I'm being told. Whether that's true or not, who knows? Batteries. Yeah. You know, I'm starting to be of the mindset that I probably should have priced that thing at $100. I don't know what they go for, but I don't have any money in it. You know, I don't want to be greedy. You know, it's like I'm gonna make $50 from something that I found sitting behind a dumpster. You know, how crazy is that? Huh? Pretty crazy, if you ask me. Anyway, guy's supposed to be here in 15 minutes. We'll see if that pans out, shall we? Apparently Bill is coming by to pick up the dog cage. And I'm kind of stuck here for the time being until Bill picks up a dog cage. I'm getting warmed up right now. And then I'll go back to taking those battery packs apart, get the batteries out of them. Cut off what little wire I can cut off, but in the meantime I'm waiting on Bill to get here. This other woman is just begging me to take 70 for it, bring it to her. I mean, I just put it on Marketplace 45 minutes ago. I think that's Bill. I think Bill's here, folks. Oh my God, you brought a truck. That's awesome, man. Watch that. Watch that.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Man, everybody there, these must be popular things.
Oh yeah.
Well, we got escape artist.
I had one too, but he moved on.
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
he did.
About that.
Yeah, that's all right. Well, here, let me grab a hold here and help you.
All right.
Cause it's well built. They're gone shore.
Appreciate it.
I'm just glad you picked it up so people stop bothering me.
Yeah, that's the thing is I put stuff on there that
Man.
about 1,000 people call.
Is this available? Is this
Yeah.
available? Then you never hear from them again?
I know.
Yeah.
It drives you crazy.
Yes. And it makes you wonder what they're thinking. What are they doing?
I know.
That's a cool little truck. I like it.
Yeah.
All right. Hey,
Thanks.
thank you
Thank you
guys.
so
Thank you
much.
all. Take care, y'all.
Have a good day.
You too.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks.
Thank you, brother. Take care, man. Okay, I want you all to pay special. Look at that license plate on that truck. Scrappy 3. Well, man, I need that. I need that license plate. I need Scrappy 1, Scrappy 2, Scrappy 3. Lord God, that's a great idea. I wonder what that cost. I'm gonna have to look into that.
Scrap business too.
Taking the stuff apart, trying to make money.
Exactly, all day.
See you, brother. Well, there goes the dog cage, folks. Look at that little truck, Scrappy 3. That's a great little truck, man. I like that truck. Cage is gone. I just picked that up at, it just amazes me how that happens, man. I mean, I did. I just picked it up. I just picked it up at the dumpster. And I really like that little truck he's driving. Scrappy 3. I mean, how cool is that? How cool is that little truck? Well, folks, there's no battery in here. Big ass transformer though. Cap. I picked up the microwave, washing machine, that dog cage, little assorted metal, the big dog cage, which was sitting here, and then I moved it to sit up there. Somebody already come and picked it up. It's gone. So that one's sold. And then I've got wire and these assorted electrical appliances that I'm gonna have to take some of these apart, get cords to get the boards out of, and some batteries. So yeah, let's go make a run, shall we? See what we can find. It's been an interesting day so far, but hey, on the plus side, I made 50 smoles. 50 smoles off something I found in a dumpster. Shop smart, shop dumpster smart, people. This GoPro sucks, just telling you. So when Bill contacted me and said, and Bill was very direct. Is this available? No, what are you at? Where are you located at? Lebanon? Address. I'll take it. I'm going, wait a minute now. I ain't giving you address unless I know when are you coming? Leave them right now. So I sent him the address. In the middle of that conversation, you know, this woman's texting me going, you know, my husband's at work. He don't get off till this evening. Can you hold it? No, don't hold it. And now I'm not having any more conversation because I'm talking with Bill. So I'm not dealing with her anymore. So she sends me one that says, I'll Venmo you the money. I don't do Venmo. I didn't tell her that because I'm in the conversation with Bill. You know, I'll Venmo you the money. And then the next thing was, I can't go to church because my dog tears everything up. I need a good solid cage that'll hold him. I really need that cage. That was another text. And then she sends another one. I'll pay $70 if you deliver it to me. Cash. I can't do. I'm in the middle. Bill's on his way, so I can't do that. And there was about her part of town. She was about 40 minutes away from me, so I'm not doing it anyway. I don't deliver. And I didn't respond because, like I said, I'm talking with Bill. And then Bill shows up, which you see. I mean, great little truck. That was just an awesome truck. License plate was Scrappy 3. I mean, oh my God. I got a little license plate envy going on there. Scrappy 3. And a little bitty truck that would hold maybe one washing machine anyway, but just nice little truck. I mean, that's awesome. And I'm taking stuff apart, you know, well, they get out. It's him and her, and she gets out. She hands me just a $50 bill, and I help him load it up on that little bitty truck he's got, and he's strapping it down, and they're thanking me and saying Merry Christmas, and I'm commenting on, Jesus Christ, man, these things must be popular because I'm getting ate up over this. They're going, yeah, they're hard to come by, especially at that price, which tells me I priced it too low, but I found it in a dumpster. You know, that's like finding $50 at a dumpster. I'm not going to complain about that. I'm not going to be greedy. So they leave. Did I tell you the license plate said Scrappy 3 on it? I mean, it was just awesome. They're driving away. I'm looking at that license plate going, dang, I need that license plate. Anyway. So they leave, and I go to Marketplace and I mark it sold. And then that woman, she'd been texting all that time, so I text her back, sorry, it's been sold. Her response back to that was, how much? How much? I'm going, okay, well, I mean, yeah, I've got it listed what I'm selling it for. I know it's not a secret. So I said, I got $50. And she said, and her response was, I offered you 70. You're a special kind of stupid, aren't you? Now, keep in mind, this is the same woman that said she's having trouble going to church because her dog's tearing everything up. Well, I really think she needs to go to church. I mean, that kind of hurt my feelings when she said that. But then I thought about it, and I'm going, well, I mean, if you're going to be stupid, I'd want to be a special kind of stupid. So I responded back to her with, why, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate you being observant and being able to recognize the level of my stupidity is not only deep, but it's special. You just have yourself a very Christian-like day. And she started to respond back with some curse words that really don't go together, and I had to block her. I don't know why people get so upset, man. You know? It's just a dog cage. I'm sure there's other ones out there. I'm sure you can find one. Now, if I start looking at them and they're like $200, I'm going, okay, mine was a hell of a deal. But like I said, and you'll see it, I just went behind a dumpster and said, damn, look there, a dog cage. It's kind of like me going back here going, why don't you look? Somebody left a $50 bill here for me. That's like half a load of scrap for me, people. This has been a pretty good day so far. Let's see what else we can get into, shall we? Now, last time I got a stove here. This time they've left me a microwave. Which was very nice of them. And I got a cord and a microwave. A little cord in the truck. Microwave's in the bed. Before you know it, I'm going to have a scrap load. Maybe. Can I come out? If y'all hear something crash, that's somebody hit me. Turn a little heat on, get cold. Well, Scrap Cash Army, I can't say it's been an exciting day. I can't say it's been a plentiful day. There's some kind of furniture. But I've made money today. I didn't go scrapyard. So, you know, I got to put that in the win column. I got a few more neighborhoods to run, and then, you know, hell, I may have to call this. Say, you know, that's it. There's nothing else. It's a rainy, dreary kind of day, off and on rain. It spits rain, then it pours, and it spits, and it pours. So, I really don't expect a lot of stuff out. I don't think people are, hey, go out there and clean that garage out, asshole. I don't think anybody's doing that. I mean, wife might be saying that, but the guy ain't doing it. Screw you, football's on. I never liked you. I hated your mother. I want a divorce. Make me a sandwich. Isn't that how it goes? Well, anyway, like I said, I'm gonna run this. Damn! I'm gonna run this neighborhood. And then, hell, I may just call it. You know, I'm pretty happy with $50, folks. I don't care who you are. $50, $50. It's even better when I have to do anything. I just loaded up my truck, put it out on my marketplace on my phone, and just waited. But I mean, everybody and their brother was, you know. And there was one guy on marketplace said, "Yeah, I'm interested in a dog cage. I got some LED lights, shop lights on there too." You know, it was, "Yeah, I'm interested in that dog cage." Oh yeah. And by the way, I can pick, and he said I can pick it up at 6 if you can hold it. And then, by the way, I'm interested in some of those LED lights too. So I responded back to him going, man, sorry, the dog cage is sold, but what time do you want to come by and look at those lights? Never mind. Yeah. Trying to entice me to hold it. You tried to pull the wool over my eyes and I wouldn't let him. Apparently he doesn't know I'm a special kind of stupid. It's a cheapie, but it's $2. It's crap. And you see some lights sticking out, you kind of wonder what's that about. Well, it's just some Christmas lights. They really don't pay anything, but you know, you have to take them. It's the law. Hold tight. Let's keep moving for a little while anyway. Scrap for Cash Army, I believe I'm going to call this, because at this point I'm just wasting a lot of gas. Not that I'm opposed to wasting gas, but why waste it when you don't have to? You know what I mean? So it's kind of a rainy, dreary kind of day. Been that way all day. I found a few things out, had a highlight, made a little money, which is what, I mean, it's really all you can ask for. You can do that every day. I mean, I think that's what you strive for. That's what I strive for. So I've got a few things on Wyatt. The biggest thing I think is going to be the stainless steel that is going to go on the back. I've got some copper and brass in the back of Wyatt that I need to, that can go in. So I mean, there might be $60, $70 load there when it's all said and done. Not that I'm going to be taking it, because by this time tomorrow I'm gonna be laid up. I will absolutely be laid up. So this is it for me. This is gonna be it for a while. So hope you all enjoyed the show, and if you don't care, to give me some likes, a little thumbs up there, and watch the video, share it around, pass it around, tell your friends, tell your neighbors. Scrap for Cash is on TV, and they can, you know, watch me. So, like I said, I'm gonna call it. You've seen pretty much all I've done today. I think the GoPro did cooperate today. And hopefully you get something out of the video and enjoy it. So have yourself a wonderful rest of your Sunday. Watch some football, maybe have some chips. And you know, if you can't be nice to each other, just don't talk to each other. That's my tip of the day. And when you sell stuff on Marketplace, remember, it pays to be a special kind of stupid. Have yourself a great day. See y'all.